Welcome. Today we are going to see dentistry's hottest topic, clear aligner or Invisalign. In this video we are going to see how clear aligner can be used in non-orthodontic treatment, how and where to start clear aligner or Invisalign treatment in non-orthodontic cases, and how to be successful in it. In fact, clear aligner tips I am going to share with you has helped me to do hundreds of clear aligner cases, and also I have got a success rate of almost 98% in those cases. And thanks to those clear aligner tips, I have highest number of clear aligner cases not only in my area, not only in my city, not only in my state, but I may be having highest number of clear aligner cases in my country in the category of where doctor himself has planned and done a lab procedures for the same cases. Before going further, I want to warn you, I am not going to share a bookish knowledge. You already know that stuff, or you can Google it. In fact, instead, I am going to share a little known secrets which works really awesome in this practical world. The dentist having more than 5 years of experience, they must be knowing by now, whenever we are learning a new system, we should have a sound knowledge. But with the sound knowledge, we should have to know a practical tips. The weightage of sound knowledge to practical tips is 80-20. The 80% of sound knowledge and 20% of theoretical knowledge, the weightage for both of them are same. See, 80-20 principle. Those who follow the 80-20 principle are more successful in their life. In fact, I will say those who know a very good or more practical tips are more successful in their practices. If you see around yourself, or if you diagnose or analyze the practices of other dentists from your city, you will see the dentist who has a good hand and who knows better practical tips are more successful in their practice. Do you agree with me on this point? Please comment below. So I am Dr. Amol Sarode, founder and owner of Content Creator Hub. I am a clear aligner specialist and enthusiast, and I am on mission to guide 10,000 dentists from all over the world about clear aligners. 10 years back, when I learned clear aligner in Germany, I was ready to fire. I was excited. I was ready to make a dent in the universe with my clear aligner abilities. And what happened next? What happens in this world? The same thing has happened with me. Yes, I was getting success, but not as much as I expected. I was getting famous, but not as much I was expecting it. So this is what happens with everyone. So what I started experimenting with many things, and that time there was no one to tell me. Only I had a friend who is internet, and on internet there was all theoretical knowledge. So I have started doing many experiments on doing different material, using different lab procedures while doing a case selections, and I started to telling every person whom I used to meet, I used to tell them about clear aligners. I started searching many formulas which will increase my success rate, and eventually that has happened. I was able to crack that formula. With those formula, my clear aligner patient got scaled up. With clear aligner patient got scaled up, my finished clear aligner cases increased, and my happy clear aligner completed clear aligner cases got increased. And believe me, one clear aligner patient sends you at least 5 to 10 patients. So suddenly when I started applying those formula, my clear aligner treatment scaled up, and I was an inch away from the success which I always desired. So without further talking on another topics, let's dive into the subject. The secret number one is just start. It's not about starting with the perfection. See, as a doctor, we always think whenever we want to start a new system, we always think that we should be as much as perfect, maybe 100% perfect in that system, and they will start. And what happens many times, people don't get started. So that's the major obstacle in our life, that we never get started in search or in pursuit of that perfection. So I advise you, if you have adequate knowledge, whatever knowledge you have, wherever you have, just get started and get perfect along the journey. It will never happen, or many times it will fail if you wait for the perfection. And it may work more than 95% if you start with adequate knowledge, and if you get perfect along the journey, your chances of success are almost equal to 95% and maybe more than that. So this is the way you should do. Many will agree who had adequate knowledge and waited till the perfection, and maybe listening to this video, they will agree with me on this point. See, if someone is traveling from New York to New Jersey in the night, how much road he can see? Just a few meters ahead of his car. Still, he travels from New York to New Jersey. The only thing you need to know the next step. And in aligner system, you always know 2 steps ahead of whatever you are doing it today. So you are never going to fail. And in this first secret, I am going to share a super secret, so you won't failing in your first 20 or 25 cases. Are you excited to listen to that super secret, and for not getting failed in first 20 to 25 cases? So here is the super secret in secret number one, that start with the simple case. What I mean by start with the simple case, you should start with the simple cases which is not an orthodontic case, which is just mild designing or cosmetic type of dental treatment. Don't start with the pure orthodontic case. Start with the simple cases like single tooth crossbite, lower anterior crowding, upper anterior rotations, minor rotation 10 to 15 degrees, or mild spacing. Do as much as number of cases in these simple cases. Do more number of simple cases rather than doing a few number of pure orthodontic cases. If you do this for 20 to 25 cases, and you will definitely get success. And this success gained by this 20 to 25 cases will boost your confidence, and you will have success really fast. You will never fail. So this was the secret number one. Now we will go to secret number two. So secret number two, having a broad vision and having end in the mind. What I mean by this, that having a broad vision and end in the mind, you should have, see what mistake I did when I started with the clear aligner. I wanted to do all type of cases in clear aligner, but I never set this in terms of numbers. Okay, it is a human nature. In the goal, if we set a goal with numbers incorporate in that, then the success rate is much more, and you get that success in lesser time, maybe half of the time. Let me give you the example. As every year on 1st January, we always decide that we will go for the walk. Instead of deciding we will go for the walk, if we decide I will go 5 miles every day, then there are more chances that you will go for the walk every day rather than just decide I will go for the walk. Yes, many of you are laughing because this happen every year with all of us on the 1st January, and our goals for that target are finished by 5th of January. So start laughing, and we will continue on this topic, that having a broad vision. I wish I knew this tip to have a broad vision 10 years back. If I knew this, I would have achieved my success in half the time. I could have completed my 100 cases in whatever I took. How many months I took, I don't remember, but I would have taken half of that to achieve that first 100 cases. Having a broad vision. See, said that you will have 2 or 3 clear aligner cases, or if you are having a good success and you are having a good knowledge, set a number for particular type of case, that I will have 1 crowding case, I will have 1 spacing case, I will have 1 crossbite case in so many days. If you do that with the specific numbers, specific type of cases, and how much time, your success rate will be higher, and the time required for to achieve that goal will be shorter. So I wish you best luck, and I wish you very good success in doing a clear aligner. Though we have not finished our video, but I still want to give best luck from secret number 2 only. Secret number 3, knowing who is your target audience. For this, I have 2 methods. First is a normal way, where you will go on telling everybody that we have started with clear aligners. So there will be lot of inquiry generated. You will have some cases converted to clear aligner, and some patient got benefited by the clear aligner treatment system. But disadvantage for this system, that you will have lot more inquiries than the conversion, so success will be moderate. The second way, I will call it as a smarter way. In this, you will analyze what type of practice you have, what kind of patients come to you regularly, what are their age group, what is their social economical status, male more or female more comes to your clinic, what are their requirements, and what type of cases you usually see which can be treated in clear aligners. So get this analysis done, and ultimately telling it to the patients who will get benefited by this case, by this clear aligner system. So this is the smarter way to do this. You will have the advantage of this system, that you will have more number of cases. So moral of this secret number 3 is spread the word but choose the case. Secret number 4 is about contraindications of aligner system. So in this secret, I am not going to tell you the real contraindications like severe cases with skeletal involvement. I am going to tell you a practical contraindication. So what is that practical contraindication? This video is about getting it started, and getting it started in a right way. So in that context, I will tell you the contraindication. So what is that contraindication? Never ever start clear aligner treatment on your spouse, boyfriend, girlfriend, your friends, relative, receptionist or assistant. If you start with that, there are more than 60% or more than 70% of chances that you will fail in aligner system, because aligner system is removable system, and whenever you start with aligners or removable type of appliances in your relatives or your known person, they will wear it for some days and they will stop wearing it, or they will reduce the time for wearing, and eventually you will fail. Many of you must have this experience that you have started something new in relatives case, and they didn't finish the case completely. So this is the practical contraindications. Never ever start aligner system because it will fail. In our regional language, there is a quote, a new bride 9 days. The enthusiasm of new bride remains for the 9 days. That's why this quote is generated in our regional language. So remember it. So many very intelligent people make a quotes, and with their experience, the quote perfectly applicable everywhere. So never ever start with the person you know with the aligner system. Tip number 5 is about indications of aligner system in other branches of dentistry apart from the orthodontic. So you should be starting with the small cases like one or two tooth cross bite, deep bite, one or two teeth deep bite, crowding, spacing, intrusion or crossbite of one or two teeth, or maybe three or four teeth. Now if you have more teeth, mild crowding, mild spacing, or orthodontic correction for endodontic or prosthodontic purpose. So moral of this secret number 5 is you should be converting your pure smile designing case into orthodontic case rather than converting your orthodontic case into clear aligner system. Also, I want to tell you that start small but think big. Here what I mean by start small, that starts with the simple cases. Small is for the simple cases, and think big in terms of the number. Do more number of simple cases. Start small but think big. So secret number 6 is about overcoming the fear. What will happen if I get failed? For that, I want to ask you one question. If I say, if you have done something for hundreds of times, will you be failing in that system? The answer is no, maybe definitely no. So let me explain why I asked you that if you have done this hundreds of times, how can you fail? See, what is clear aligner? Clear aligner is RPD in orthodontics, removable partial denture in orthodontics. You have done RPD n number of time, or maybe hundreds of time and thousands of time. The most of the procedure in RPD and in clear aligner are almost same. They resemble each other 80%. They are almost cousins of each other. So you are very well versed with RPDs. So there you are also well versed with clear aligner. Just thing is you didn't know this till now. Now you got to know this. The second thing I want to tell you, there are millions of cases have been treated in Invisalign and clear aligner system. There are many aligner system with the different name. They have treated millions of cases, and millions of cases are getting treated daily. So if any system is already proven its efficiency, will it be failing? The chances of the proven system getting failed is in 0.0 something. Okay, it is less than 1%. So don't worry, you are not going to fail. And even if you fail, always remember, a failure is one step closer to your success. Every failed experiment is one step closer to your success. Secret number 7 is about it's not about finishing your finishing line first. It is just about finishing your finishing line. See, many people always want to end up to be at first place. It's always a great thing to be finishing at the first place. But if you are not there, it's okay. You will be there sometime or in a some time. Okay. So many people think that they are not first one to start clear aligners or aligner system. So that's okay. Many people what they do, they don't even start because they think they are not first to start this system. Instead of this, think that at least you have started. So it's not about in life, it is very important to finish your finish line rather than stopping before you are entering that battle. So always try to finish your finish line.
Your story may not have such a happy beginning, but that doesn't make you who you are. It is the rest of your story. Who you choose to be.
Maybe I should just quit and go back to making noodles.
Quit, don't quit. Noodles, don't noodles. You are too concerned with what was and what will be.
So, who are you, Panda?
Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why it is called the present.
Po, you taught us who we were meant to be. A father.
A friend. A family.
I love you, Dad. I love you too, son.
Do you want to learn Kung Fu?
Yeah.
Then I am your master.
Okay!
Go Dragon Warrior! Defend the valley!
The universe has brought us the Dragon Warrior.
Who are you? I've been asking the same question. Am I the son of a panda? The son of a goose? A student? A teacher? Turns out, I am Po. You are the Dragon Warrior.
Master.
Master.